How to log into your CIBC account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your CIBC Bank account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in CIBC. After that, go to the first link, which is cibc.com. Now you will be taken to the official homepage of CIBC Bank, where in order to log into your account, you'll have to Now you will be taken to the official homepage of CIBC Bank, where in order to log into your account, you'll basically have to locate the login box, which is this right over here on your home page. After that, simply enter your card number. It will be your ATM or your debit card number. After that, enter your password, and once you tap on the option sign on, you'll have successfully signed in or logged into your CIBC Bank's online banking account. But in any case you forgot your password and you simply can't remember it, you can simply reset it by tapping the option reset your password. And once you've reset the password, simply enter your card number, your newly resetted password, and once you tap on the option sign on, you'll have successfully logged in or signed in to your CIBC account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.